There's only two things you need to know how to do, okay? Number one, you need to understand that all words are made up of sounds, and every word has a set number of sounds in it, okay? Some words are 2 sounds, 3 sounds, 4 sounds. Let's call this a 4-sound word, okay? Most kids can't hear all the sounds in a word, so maybe it's a 4-sound word like jump, and they go up. They can only hear 3 of them. So the first test you need to give your child is how many sounds can you hear in a word? If they can hear 2 sounds, practice 3-sound words. If they can hear 3, practice 4. Find out how many sounds they can hear, teach the next level up. The next test you need to give them is how many sounds can they write, because just because they can hear the sounds doesn't mean they know how to actually put it down on paper. And if they're bad at spelling, you know this already, okay? So test them. Tell them a sound, see if they know how to write it down. If they can, start moving to harder and harder sounds. Once you figure out the sounds they struggle with, the sounds that they can hear, the sounds they can say but they can't write, start teaching them how to spell those sounds, okay? You go, ooh, the sound was A, but you wrote ah. What are some different ways to spell A? Oh, A-I in the middle of words, yeah. But with that Y at the end of words, right? You start teaching them how to actually spell those patterns. And if you marry the two things together, you say, okay, we're gonna help them hear more and more sounds in every word, and we're gonna help them write more and more of those sounds. All of a sudden, we have a confident, capable, successful speller. And it is so much easier than you think. This can go super, super fast. How many sounds can they hear? How many sounds can they write? Practice and put it together.